in-game studio, students get to see what it's like to work in an industry-style studio.
It's really nice to create a project, start the project, see it come to fruition.
So you have people who are artists, you have people who are animators, riggers, coders, and you work together to make a game as a class.
Since coming into Game Studio, I've learned a lot about what it means to be in a team, and all the experiences have really taught me that, it's not just about me, it's about the game, it's about the production.
Game Studio to me is a good opportunity to test our skills with other people.
For me, I feel like Game Studios let me see what it's like to be in a large team and all of the problems that come with that.
I love seeing the real-time problem solving, and you have the free real estate to talk to your fellow peers, like, hey, how do I do this, or how do I work that?
It gives them that professional experience that they may not have had prior to working in Game Studio.
MediaWorks is a collaborative project between audio student and animation student.
So what makes MediaWorks unique is the idea that students are working with clients.
It's definitely one of those rare opportunities that you have as a student to be able to get experience working in the field that you want to be in.
The uniqueness of MediaWorks is really the process and the learning experience that you get that you couldn't get from other classes. Without it, I don't know if I would have been as ready for work in the real world.
MediaWorks is a tool to bridge that gap between education and industry by providing all the different real-world experience to students so students can get to work with the real client even before they graduate the program.
Every semester it's a new challenge, it's a new experience. It's really great to be able to work with a lot of great, intelligent, talented people.
Students get to put the results on their portfolio, so they graduate with real-life, actual client work on their portfolios.
DataWorks is all about analyzing data and presenting it in a meaningful way and making it so that professionals can interface with this data.
For me, the excitement is learning new things. Even for me, some of the projects we do, I have not even thought about it like 6 months ago.
It's given a good opportunity to start a project from the ground up. We had no blueprint, nothing set in stone, and being able to just really start from scratch has changed a lot of the ways that I think about program design.
Work we do is machine learning, artificial intelligence, and even now we are working on metaverse, immersive technology.
The unique parts about it is that pretty much anything that you've learned about programming or just even game design in general, and use that in our project in any way possible and bring your own things to the table that you've learned over time.
So Project X is a simulated studio with all of its departments to create a 3D short animated film.
Everything from the concept to the final animation, everything is done by students, and I really got to see the pipeline for how an animated film is created from beginning to end.
They get to work with artists of different disciplines, both audio, visual, and create something that is significantly greater in both quality and scope that they would be able to as an individual.
It's given me a lot of confidence in my abilities as a technical artist. I've got to experience what being a technical artist is really like. So I'm going to go into the workforce with a little bit of experience already.
They not only learn to collaborate amongst themselves, but they also learn to communicate with other disciplines while still specializing and focusing on those skills that they plan on turning into their profession once they graduate.